Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a group chat in Microsoft Teams. There's two ways how to actually go about this. You can start it from scratch by simply clicking on the new chat icon on the left hand side under the chat section. So you can click a new chat, and from here you can just start typing all the persons that you want. So if I type, for example, Mike, I can go ahead and I can add this person named Mike, and I can add, for example, another person by the name of Andrew or whatever. I can find those people and I can just start adding them. And once I hit my first message, I will be able to start a group chat. So that's one way how to start a group chat. Another way is if you're speaking to, for example, one person in Teams, and once you start speaking to that person, you will have the option on the upper right to start a group chat by adding another person. So you can see, for example, right here, I can click on the option to add a new person by clicking the head. And so I'll be able to add a new person right here. So you can see I can click and add people, and then I can start searching for people, their email address or their name. Let's say in your organization you're working with them, you can just type in, for example, let's type in Mike. And for example, I can type in Mike and I can add Mike to it by clicking there. Once I click on that, you can now add that person to the chat. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and start a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Now, the cool thing as well, like after you start a group chat, if you want to make it more meaningful and not just have it with the person's name, once you start a group chat, on the upper right, you will see the pencil icon and you can click there and you can rename the group chat by changing it to something more meaningful. And so that's how you can easily do it. Once you change the name, click and save, and that's it. And you can continue your conversations and so forth. I also want to mention something. If you have a group, let's say already going on, and you want to add more people to the group, if you're using it within your organization and you have history within that chat and you want people to actually see the history, you want to open up the group and then you want to add the person. Once you click and add, you click and add people again, you enter the name. Let's say I type in Mike again and I add Mike. You will see at the bottom where it's going to say option to just add the person fresh or to include the history so that they are able to see the past conversation. So if you want them to be able to see past conversations so that they can catch up and so that they will never miss out on certain key important information that was shared in the past, ensure that you check that option right before you add them so that they have the visibility to those information from that group chat. And that's it. That's how you can easily start a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one.